Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host Gamer, and today we're going to try and install or activate Secure Boot while Windows 11 is installed. We're going to try it, and we may have to reinstall Windows 11 all over again. Well, let's see. We're going to go to the settings. Okay. We're going to go to recovery and then advanced startup. Restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from disk or USB drive. Restart now. Restart now. Troubleshoot. Advanced options. UEFI firmware settings. And we're restarting now into the BIOS. Okay, if you have a look at the top of the screen where it says easy mode, and also F7 is a shortcut. So you can click here or press F7 to go into easy mode, but we want to stay here in advanced mode. So if it looks like this, you want to click F7 or press F7 or click advanced, okay, to go into the advanced mode. All right, now we're going to go down here to the bottom right where it says security. Okay, click that. And we want to go to Secure Boot. Okay, so Secure Boot is disabled. It's in custom. And we want to enroll all factory default keys. Install factory defaults, press yes to proceed. Enable. Okay, let's see if that did it. I didn't click that. Delete all secure boot variables. Key management. No, I didn't do anything there. All I did was go in, enroll all factory default keys. Okay, it was set to custom. And then after I enrolled all factory default keys, I clicked enabled. Okay, and then left. Click the X to save my changes and exit. Okay, so it seems to have worked. Okay, so we want to go from the start, right click, and Windows Terminal Admin, yes, and then paste type in MS Info 32 like that. See what happens. Okay. Secure boot state is on. Okay, if you have a look at the top of the screen where it says easy mode, and also F7 is a shortcut. So you can click here or press F7 to go into easy mode, but we want to stay here in advanced mode. So if it looks like this, you want to click F7 or press F7 or click advanced. Okay. Okay, so I activated my XMP profile 1 because when I went into the BIOS, the DDR speed was at 2666 and I bought 3200 RAM. Okay, C16. So if we come down here to overclock settings, okay, and then if we scroll down till we get to DRAM setting, okay, this is where you enable your XMP profile for your RAM. So once I enabled it, and left, so I go up to the top right of the screen and click the X to save my changes and exit. Then it activated the advertised speed of my RAM. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to be running RAM at a slower than desired speed. Okay. I want all the performance I can get, so I might as well run the RAM where it's supposed to run. Okay, just one of those things. To have a look at Resizable BAR, let's have a look at the settings. Okay, we're going to go into advanced. This is also where you can save and exit. Go into advanced. And the first one, PCIe, PCI subsystem settings. And if we come down here, Resizable BAR support, and then you can enable it. All right, once you enable it, you can right click to come out, and let's do it this way. We're just going to click save and exit. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. And don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.